Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have coin here. I'm not sure we had coin here before on this channel. We have some songs now, so I don't really remember, but I think we don't have covered this song here, I'm pretty sure. This one is new and it's called I Think I Met You in a Dream. So it's a cool and very easy song to play straightforward on a guitar, you can say. So that is great. So we don't need any capo for this one. And we have 5 different chords to go over first. So let's start with the chords. We have the D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. The next chord is E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord is B minor. So you need to bar the second fret here from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord is A minor 7, like that. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so 5 chords. We need to look at the strumming pattern, and it's pretty long. It's gonna be divided into 2 parts. And the reason for that is because we're gonna think as pair of chords here. So the one chord will cover the first part, and the next chord we cover the second part, and together they will do this one big strumming pattern. Okay, so one pair of chords will sound like this. And we took the 2 first chords here. So let's look at the strumming pattern with the first one, the D. So for the D chord, you're gonna play down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And then you switch to the E minor and play the next part, which is the up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. So together it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So on D, down, 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 up, down, 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 up on E minor. So that is one pair. So we will go over the chord pressure now. So for the first verse, and that's played in the same way as in the intro, you're gonna play D to E minor, to B minor, to G. So you're gonna play the same way here for D minor to E minor as you're gonna play from B minor to G. So for D, E minor, then you're gonna play the same here for B minor. You're starting the same way, part 1 for B minor, the same way as you played for D. And you shift to G and play in the same way as for the E minor. So that will be the chord progression. 2 rounds for intro, and you're gonna play 4 rounds for the verse, first verse here. So let's go for a couple of rounds: D, E minor, B minor, and G. Alright, so that was the intro and the first verse. Then comes the chorus. Okay, so it's pretty easy played here as well. You're gonna play the D part 1, the A minor part 1, and G full strumming round. Okay, so that will be for D, down, 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 up, and then you shift to A minor, down, 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 up, and then you play the G, the full, both parts here, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That will be one chord progression round here for the chorus, and you're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So let's go over this round here. D, down, 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 up, down, 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 up for A minor 7, and for G, you're gonna play the full strumming. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So if we go for a couple of rounds here, it will be D, A minor 7, and G. And that was 4 rounds. In the same way, you're gonna play the chorus here. And that is the first chorus. The second verse will be played in exact same way as the first one. 4 rounds there as well. And then right after that comes a bridge part. Okay. And we have actually one chord we forgot to mention here in the introduction of this tutorial, and that is the A chord. I'm gonna give you that now. So it sounds like that. And that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. You're gonna need that right now, all right? So for bridge parts, the lyrics, turn off the TV. We have one full strumming round of A, then one full of E minor, then one full of A, and one full of E minor. So A, E minor, A, E minor. And after that, you're gonna end this bridge part with the same play as you just played for the chorus. The D, part 1, A minor, part 1, and G, full strumming round. That chord progression, in the same way as you play the chorus, you're gonna play that for 4 rounds, and that will end the bridge parts. So just to repeat this one, A full strumming round, E minor 1, A1, E minor 1, and then 4 rounds of the chorus play. So let's play that together from the A. E minor, A, and E minor. And now the chorus play. D, A minor 7, and G. D part 1, A minor part 1, and G full. And the final round. Alright. And right after this bridge part comes the final chorus. You're gonna play it in the same way as you played other choruses for 4 rounds. You just continue here from the bridge part and continue with this chorus play. And after that comes the final part of the song, the outro. And guess what? You're gonna play another 4 rounds of the chorus play. D, A minor 7, and G. And 4 rounds with that will end this cool song from Coin called I Think I Met You in a Dream. So yeah guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I like this song and it's very easy to play, so give it a try and I hope to see you soon. And don't forget guys, play tuned.